Hello guys, my name is Sunil Tomar. I welcome you to Coders Planet. This is another video of React Webpack TypeScript series. And this is fourth video of this series. And in this video, I'm going to cover hot module replacement. And in upcoming time, we will make video on ESLint and Prettier. And before going into the detail of this video, let me describe first let me give you brief introduction of first three videos. So in the first three videos I have covered basic in the first video I have covered basic setup of your project, created a simple webpack configuration and created a folders and two component to print hello react on the screen. And in the second video I have added a script for, we can say, configuration for uh, supporting CSS and styles. And in the third video I have added three more files of webpack configuration in which I have written a separate configuration for development uh, and production environment. So just for the separation of concern and which enable the webpack to optimize the bundling process, as there are some things that are not required at the production side and which is required at the development sides. So just for the sake of simplicity and optimization, I have created two separate files. And this is the fourth video of this series. And in this video I'm going to cover hot module replacement. So the first thing is that let me run what we have done in the previous. So npm start so you can see just let me refresh the browser. Yeah, you can see in the browser this is what we have done in the past. Now we are going to uh, demonstrate hot model replacement. So hot model replacement is the very intuitive feature of Webpack which actually allow the rendering or editing of your component into the browser without refreshing the browser or reloading the browser. So let me first add one component in our project. So let me move, take you to the let me take you to the VS Code editor. So you can see this is visible now. I am adding one component called counter dot tsx. Right, I am writing export default. I am writing just one of the simplest component to demonstrate how hot model replacement works. So function, insert the function counter, insert the counter. I'm taking return, and I am returning, just you can see I'm taking h2 element. Inside that I'm taking span tag, and inside that I'm writing one variable and taking an use state with the default value 0, and I am holding this value to the variable hold count set count. Okay, so just I'm taking here count, and I'm taking one button to increment the value of it. Click counter, forward function, and set counter count plus 1. See, right? And I'm just adding plus for increment the value of it. And now let us move to the formatting it, and let us move to the index.tsx. and insert the app and importing counter component, and here here it goes. You can see, and now I move to uh, Chrome, so you can see it has been added. Let us suppose that I am incrementing the value of counter to 10, right? And any value it can be, but just I want to show you, just see that. So now I'm going to change something into the VS Code editor. So just I'm changing, uh, let's go to the app component. I'm changing hello react to hello world, right? So you can see, let me show you in the Chrome. You can see when I refresh the browser, the value should be hello world, but while changing the value of this component, also the component of counter has been updated to the 0. Do you notice that why this is happening? Because we are, once when we refresh the URL from the browser, it resort all the value of all the component to default, right? So how can we prevent that? So to prevent that, let me take you to the VS Code editor. So inside the VS Code editor, right? Inside the VS Code editor, I am adding, let me move to the development, webpack.development.js. Inside that, I am adding dev server, dev server, and inside the dev server, I am adding one thing, uh, what equal to true, and we need to add one plugin. So for that, you can move to the, let me take an URL of that. There is one plugin, let me show you by example, Chrome. Okay, so document, you can see the Chrome, and inside the Chrome, you can see this is the plugin which I'm talking about, react refresh webpack plugin, react refresh. So I'm going to install this plugin. Okay, so I am installing this plugin. So you can see I have added this plugin into our package.json file. Now I need to add this plugin here, new from I'm doing copy paste from the documentation. So just you need to do the same. This is the plugin which I am going to use. So now this, okay, so you can see, right? You can see, and now what I need to do, yeah, just we need to run our project now, npm start. Okay, so automated replacement. Okay, so now let me take you to the Chrome, Chrome. Okay, so you can see now I'm going to increment the count value to 5, and now I will change the hello world component into the app dot tsx. Inside the app component, I'm going to change the hello world to hello react, and you notice the things in the browser. Now you can see inside the browser hello react and counter value is 5. This this means that this value has not updated, and reserving this value and all updated the hello react component, hello react to the app.tsx component. So this is the very intuitive feature of Web, Webpack module, and this is just to update your components context without refreshing from the browser, and it will automatically load it. So just one thing, I also add hot module replacement. Inside the hot module replacement, their server hot equal to true and open equal to true. And I'm going to remove, just let me for the teachers. Okay, so you can see just I have added open equal to true, open equal to true, and okay, and now I'm removing the open flag from here. Already I think open, I have opened, so just keep it simple. Now you can see this is done. Okay, so that is all about this. So let me explain you again. This is very good feature of React Webpack module bundler. So it automatically refresh or update your content of your component without refreshing or reloading in the browser. So let us suppose that you are working on model or pop-ups. So if you refresh the browser and that pop-up disappears. So when working with those models and dialog box, and you want to debug the things, then this is very helpful. So this is all about today's hot model replacement topic, and in the next upcoming videos we will talk about ESLint and also Prettier. So thank you everyone.